Hi everyone, in this video we will solve for x. We have x by 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 125. Let's start the solution of this question. We have given x over 2 whole cube is equal to 125. Now we can write this x by 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 125 can be written as 5 cube, because 5 cube is 5 into 5 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. Now we know that a over b raised to the power m is equal to a power m over b power m. So our equation becomes x power 3 over 2 power 3 is equal to 5 power 3. Now by cross multiplication we get x raised to the power 3 equals 2 power 3 times 5 power 3. As the exponents are same, so base will be multiplied. We know that a power m times b power m is equal to a into b raised to the power m. So equation now becomes x cube is equal to 2 into 5 raised to the power 3, and x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 5 is 10 raised to the power 3. Subtract 10 power 3 on both sides, we get x cube minus 10 cube is equal to 0. What is this? This is a cube minus b cube formula. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So our equation becomes x minus 10 x square plus x into 10 plus 10 square equal to 0. X minus 10 x square plus 10x plus 100 is equal to 0. Either this will be equal to 0 or this whole equation equal to 0. X minus 10 equal to 0, this is the first case, and x square plus 10x plus 100 is equal to 0. Solving the case 1, add 10 on both sides, we get the first value of x, which is plus 10. This is the real value of x. Now move towards solving the second case. Before proceeding, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. By comparing, we get the coefficient of a equals 1, b equals 10, c equals 100. Now we will use the quadratic formula to find the value of x. x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Putting the value of a, b, c here, get x equals minus b. What is b? 10 plus minus 10 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 100 all over 2a, a is 1. Okay, now move to the next step. X equals minus 10 plus minus square root of 10 square is 100 minus 4 into 100 all over 2. Now x equals minus 10 plus minus square root of, taking 100 common, left with 1 minus 4 all over 2. So x will be equal to minus 10 plus minus square root of 100 square root of minus 3 all over 2. So x will be equal to minus 10 plus minus square root of 100 is 10, and this is square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 over 2. So x will be equal to minus 10 plus minus 10 square root of 3, and under root of minus 1 is iota all over 2. Now divide 2 on both the terms, we get x equals minus 10 by 2 plus minus 10 by 2 square root of 3 iota. The final value of x, second and third value is minus 5 plus minus 5 square root of 3 iota. So there are three values of x. By putting these values back in our given question, we will verify left hand side equal to right hand side. That is x equal, first real value is 10, second value is minus 5 plus 5 square root 3 iota, and minus 5 minus 5 square root of 3 iota. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.